Breaking news. The Stampwheel is getting discounted for the first time. America takes Black Friday seriously, but perhaps none better than this New York-based paper crafting company, Altenew, turns 10 next year. And the company's Black Friday plans this year are unlike any other. The most avid Altenew shoppers know that the company offers new sales and discount every single week of the year. The weekly sale is an iconic Altenew tradition. However, nothing beats Black Friday and the amazing sales Altenew offers during this annual American holiday. This year, Altenew is giving us an exclusive sneak preview of their 2023 Black Friday sale list, and it is popping. Our Altenew Marketing Director, May Park. Good day to you, May.
Thank you, Eddie, for having me today. Hey, Altenew friends, I'm May Park, Marketing Director at Altenew, and it's my 8th year working at Altenew, and preparing for the Black Friday season never gets easier. But it does get more exciting every year for Altenew fans because our sales gets bigger and bigger. My team has been working closely with the graphic design team and operations team to make sure everything is in place, from creating eye-catching promotional banners to managing our product inventory and more. As a crafter myself, I always try to include crafting items in our Black Friday sale that I'm personally excited to get my hands on. This year, we have something special in store. For the first time, Altenew will be publishing a Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping guide page featuring 15 crafting must-haves 1 week before the promotion starts. The Stampwheel gonna be one of our hot days. To be among the first to access our Black Friday shopping guide page, I encourage you guys to subscribe to our newsletter. Additionally, make sure to subscribe to our SMS campaigns and download our mobile app with the notifications enabled. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these fantastic crafting deals starting this mid-November.
Crafters are expected to enjoy steep discounts on these products. Perhaps most notable on the company's discounted shopping list this year is the Stampwheel. Paper crafters have been raving about this new stamping tool invented and patented by Altenew. It was first made available to the public early this year. Now this highly coveted tool is getting sale price crafters have never seen before. Paper crafters are encouraged to add these items to their virtual shopping carts in preparation for the big sales. Products aren't expected to last long, especially the Stampwheel. Now we have on the line our Altenew Operations Director, Nicole. Good day to you, Nicole.
Thank you, Addie. Black Friday is, I'm sure, one of the most exciting shopping time for our viewers out there. And indeed, it is one of the biggest sales seasons here at Altenew as well. Over the last 8 years I've been with Altenew, we have learned a lot of different lessons through trials and errors to prepare for the next upcoming Black Friday better and more efficient. We plan for each Black Friday and Cyber Monday promotion well ahead of time to understand inventory movement, sales data, popularity of our product, as well as the product shipping and restock time, so that we can ensure to provide the best deal to our customers during our Black Friday season. Since we're offering a lot of different promotions throughout Black Friday and Cyber Monday weeks, prepping these ahead of time still requires a lot of efforts and resources to ensure we pay attention to every details so they are all executed correctly. Despite of all these early preparations, there still might be some chances that we would have last-minute changes as well as any unforeseen issues to arise. And trust me, it had happened before, and we had to act very last minute and scramble through before when we were still growing and learning process. But now we make sure we prepare the most certain details well ahead of time so that we can allow resource availability to be there to handle any last minute changes and also deal with any arising issues that are surprising to us. So we have regular team meetings to check the progress of our Black Friday, Cyber Monday preparations, but also we have standby meetings for each of these promotions when they go live and when they change, so that we can handle and tackle any issues rising up in the last minute easily and quickly and more efficiently. We want to ensure our customers have a great time shopping for their crafting supplies with amazing limited time deals here at Altenew. And if you have any questions, concerns, or have issues receiving our promotional newsletters, make sure to contact our customer happiness team by emailing us at support@altenew.com. We look forward to seeing you all at our website during our Black Friday sales. Back to you, Eddie.
Black Friday will be a blast, and we look forward to crafters getting their dream crafting supplies soon. And that's a wrap on our exclusive behind-the-scenes coverage of Black Friday here at Altenew. It's a synchronized symphony of hard work and dedication, all for the ultimate customer experience. Stay tuned for more exciting updates as we dive into this shopping season.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!